Hello, folks. This is Chocolate Yoddah, spelled Yoddah, because film studios are litigious. And today, I want to read a little bit from history. Back on Monday, March 4th, 1861, newly elected President Abraham Lincoln gave his first inaugural address. The address mostly danced around the subject of slavery and the possibility of the impending and unfortunately inevitable Civil War. And he didn't do too strong of a job as far as addressing that, but the last thing he said was something that I've always found interesting. This is how he closed out this speech. We are not enemies, but friends. We must not be enemies. Though passion may have strained, it must not break our bonds of affection. The mystic cords of memory, stretching from every battlefield and patriot grave to every living heart and hearthstone all over this broad land, will yet swell the chorus of the Union when touched again, as surely they will be, by the better angels of our nature. Abraham Lincoln, 1861. I think America could use a little bit of that sensibility right now. Thanks. Talk to you soon.